I'm practicing some. Lana men, I'm practicing some. Stick the linen spilling billion now. Now let's enjoy some. Lana men, I'm practicing some. Ah. Stick the linen spilling billion now. Yeah. Lana men, I'm practicing some.
Practicing, spilling pill, uzumsile, senza umlingo, zenza inkinga, uthola iphika. Vision ku-speak, ocean uthola i-wave. Ngeke basmell, ngeke basesh. On the ground, spamble line ezinja zawo. Uze ngani, nasi siphola ukhala ngani. Space vibe, lana mfana ziwa mo. Zasithole 4, lapho siphethe
Lana men, I'm
umazoro.
practicing some. Ah. Stick the linen spilling billion now. Yeah. Lana men, I'm practicing
Killing
some.
everybody, dog, it's animal cruelty. Pull up in my polo and I'm feeling Gucci. True shit, and my car help me get coochie. Ice on my teeth, boy, I only talk cool shit. Groupies, all want me, I'm still choosing. Screw this, take a picture and start zooming. I'm a superstar already, let's make a movie. High off life, not weed, I'm not Snoopy. Shorty looking thick and she wanna give me booty. Boobies, double D's, they looking
I'm
cute.
practicing some. Lana men, I'm practicing some. Stick the linen spilling billion now. Now let's enjoy some. Lana men, I'm practicing some. Ah. Stick the linen spilling billion now. Yeah. Lana men, I'm practicing some.
And it's like I'm in the sky every night. I be chasing dimes and I'm so alive. What a life. Lanang Texas in just on me, we go ride, glide, dive every time. You know why? We digging deeper, you was so we in the mines. Now we out jack, they be cooler than the ice. You know we out jack, we outside. Skuli ranje senze impilo ibe mnandi. Kati babe spare kodwa manje.
I'm practicing some.
Big dog. Fresh.
Lana men, I'm practicing some.
Ulalele Sunset Connection to Africa with Pure Fortune, and I'm the coolest guy in the city with you all the way until 6. As we promised you earlier, which is over space, usekhona sizokhuluma naye ngaye as well as music wakhe, sizwe more about him and also more about music wakhe. Space we have same Vision Records live studio there all the way from Hammersdale. Hammersdale, big up to you. Space, ngibingelele my brother.
Molison morning, ngiyaphila wote emakhaya nana station.
Wonderful, man. Welcome to Indozo FM.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukwamukelwa nokuthola leli thuba la namhlanje.
For umuntu ngamazo Space sikhuluma nobani? Who is Space?
Uspace.
Okay.
Uspace uyi-artist elincane nje liqhamuka le Hammersdale under i-Same Vision Records. Uspace akadili nomculo kuphela, uyashutha, uyashaya ama-video for inkampani Same Vision.
All right. Oh, yazi ukuthi usungikhumbuza isipholo so ithinta la imnandi kakhulu le event emi last year on December 13, right?
Sure.
Space, what's up? Do we have anything new that you're working on? What's up?
I've just released the EP ebizwa nge-Anchor. It was released on the 24th of March this year. It's doing very good with platform Spotify, about YouTube, about Apple Music now.
Okay. For umuntu officer uthi stream njalo, do we have it on how you call it? What do you call YouTube?
Everywhere you call. Everywhere you talk.
Search ngubani? Space
Anchor.
E like
no,
E.
not E. Space Anchor.
Enka, which is N.
A-N,
Yeah.
A-N, kube u-C, kube
Oh,
u-H.
yabona mina ngicabanga u-E. Why nibize nge-Enka?
The reason why sibiza nge-Enka ngoba
I-Enka ile shandisi le emkhumbeni le na.
Kodwa uyayibamba. Ngisathi ngichazela ngayo le nto.
Sure.
I-Enka, the reason why ngibiza nge-Enka ngoba kulo music lo sesi balance kakhulu mfowethu. I-Enka ngicathu uyazi ukuthi ilento ebalansise umkhumbi lapha ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubalance ungaloko umuva lapha emanzini. So kulo mculo lo indlela esaqala ngayo ayibanga inhle kakhulu but kuze kube manje sisabalansile. That is why ngaqhamuka naleli gama leli i-Enka.
Usebenze nobani kwi-Enka?
Kwi-Enka ngisebenze no-Pick the DJ, ngasebenza no-Exodus, ngasebenza no-PK Mncwabe, ngasebenza no-Hustler.
Okay. I remember what you said. It's an EP with how many tracks?
It has 7 tracks.
7 tracks.
Yes.
Angithanda ukubuza lo mbuzo, but let me ask. Okay, let me just say, which song are you currently pushing your EP?
I'm pushing EP yonkana nje, not just one song. Yonke nje EP ngiyayipusha mfowethu.
Okay.
You sure?
All right. Okay. Mhlawumbe uthi sizwe le ngoma le sokuba ne interview njengamanje. It's 11 minutes before 6 on Itokozo 101.2 FM. Young People's Choice. Tell us about the song. I want I want it on.
Sure. Can you please repeat the question?
Okay, still ngengoma ethi I want it on. I want it on.
Okay. Mfowethu uyazi nje basiphile nje kulomhlaba mfowethu imali kakhulu esiyidingayo yona yonke into nje mfowethu to push everything that you do udinga imali. So I want it all ngifuna imali ngidinga yonke nje ngisho ukuthi uyibiza ngantoboni ngidinga yonke.
Usebenze nobani I want it on?
Ngisebenze ngedwa nje lapha, ngisebenze ngedwa nje akekho omunye umuntu enginaye.
Wonderful, man. It's a beautiful song, beautiful title. I want it on. Mhlawumbe sambe soyizwe and then we'll continue with things.
All right.
It's Spency with I want it on. This one is taken from the EP ebizwa ngokuthi Enka.
Power MPK.
As I'm looking back, yeah, we've been surviving. As I'm looking back, yeah, we've been surviving. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna leave. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna leave. Yeah. They call it the guap, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the zag. I want it all. I want it all.
Hey,
I want it all.
alright. Manje ngifuna lokuphila. Asikho sokuchila, vele khona bangibiza ngevili impilo. Imnandi muyiphila sikhohlwile ababa sibiza ngezitha. We taking a step up, buka ngathi si-movie yomdanso. No red lights, us breaks, dlula noma sebesiwekela meva. Hey, bathi singo-clever, we saying now or never. I'm down on my knees, darling ngicela usiphi indlela. Ngifuna ukuvusa ikhaya noma sisabe sidlela. One step at a time, you know there's no need for the playtime. Modern sweets, ngifuna i-drip ikuthonsi honey. Pass the ball, ngoba ngakini ngiyi-player.
We've been surviving. As I'm looking back, yeah, we've been surviving. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna leave. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna leave. Yeah. They call it the guap, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the zag. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. As I'm looking back, We've been surviving. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah. They call it the guap, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the zag. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all.
We're trying to use the EP, Spacey, come EP, that's when it's on. Spacey is all the way from Hammersmith, and the same Vision Records. I remember last year I got to see we Spot. But we fifth annual, right?
Yes, maybe 5th annual.
Anything that you'd like to tell us about fifth annual Spot?
5th annual sport yayimnandi kakhulu mfowethu
I remember I was there, but ngifuna umuntu ongazi ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi simhalisele.
ngase sport
Yeah.
isport mfowethu event which is happening on each and every year. It started in 2021, so saloke siqhubeka naso siloke sikhula up until last year, and still this year we are doing it. If ufisa ukuthi uze kwispolo uxhumane nje nathi lapha kwi Facebook isikole.
Okay, today we are putting spotlights on you.
Yes, sure.
It's more about you. Let's talk about you, just to get to know you better. 4:52, that means we only left with about 8 minutes before 6 minutes was 101.2. Spacey, that's one person that inspires you, bundle of inspiration as Spacey. Ibiza kahle mangithi space. All right.
Ukuthi ufuna ukulibiza ngaleli lepasho space.
All right. What inspires music or even better mhlambe uSpacey?
Mfowethu music ngawuthanda kudala kakhulu, but as the time went by abantu engisebenza nabo bayaqhuquzelana kakhulu mfowethu, kakhulu.
Sure.
Especially kulabo abakhulile la kuthina, so mfowethu bayaqhuquzelana nje nawo umusic lo omunye uthola ukuthi ngiyawulalela ongaphandle abanye abantu nawo aboquesta laba mfowethu nje bayaqhuquzelana labo bafowethu.
All right. Is this your first EP under Same Vision Records?
Yes, this is my first EP mfowethu. Kade ngiqala ukurelease umculo nje ngiqhubeka nawo, ngangilo ngi-release ama-single, ngithola ama-feature.
Sure.
But this is my first EP ever since I started music.
All right. So, for umuntu ongawazi music Spacey, what can you tell us? What do you sing about, or what do you write about? What's up?
I write about everything. It depends on a bit ukuthi yona ingifice nje ngikwisimo esinjani, but everything ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibhale ngayo. But this one it talks about impilo nje generally. Yeah.
All right, it's 5:53 unit was 101.2 FM. Young People's Choice. I want to know any highlights of Geniaco. Performer and we were like, wow, this was dope. This was the dopest performance.
Yeah, ikhona event esake saya kuyona sibhokhiwe ezabafowethu eyayilapha eChannel Emnyama, so ngafike ngaperforma nje kamnandi kakhulu lapha ya. Then enye yayikhona yayilapha eHammersdale lemo phela, ngafike nakhona nje ngafike ngenza izinto zenzeke kwamnandi kakhulu.
Was it last year when you been khona SM Cape?
No, it was 2023.
Okay.
Yeah.
5:54 windows 101.2 FM. Spacey, do you have anything to share either about you, the music, or anything that you like to share with us? Even if there's something, it's going to have no space. I'm going to follow what it says, but I want to make it, okay, yeah.
Yeah, but I was space mfethu umuntu nje osimple, umuntu osimple. Music wami ukulalela nje mfethu ungizwe ila uzongithola khona kahle ke mawuthi mhlambe usekhaya uyafuna ukuthi umazi kahle uSpace, but umuntu osimple nje lo mfethu yo.
Okay.
umjitho kwisipholo njengoba nje usaxoxa ngaso.
All right. Hey, do we have E6 annual this year?
Yes, we do.
Do you want to tell us about its PK? Just maybe a minute or so. Afisa ngiyithanda kakhulu indlela enibambisene ngayo ya we-event. Indlela enibaphethe ngayo abantu. Mina ngiyithanda kakhulu mfethu. It was beautiful. Even a lot of people besho ukuthi no yazi bayithanda ukuza kule event indlela enibaphatha ngayo njalo njalo. You were there from event iqala, even before iqala, and you were the last person or people to leave. Yeah.
Ngithi ngibingelele emakhaya okwamnqabe lo PK isilwane sendawo ngithi angithathe leli thuba nami ngithi ukuthi hazi umuntu lijana ngezinto ezizenzayo njengoba bebuza abafethu mayelana nesipholo.
Sure.
Ma umuntu ongazi mayelana nesipholo, isipholo kale day event esayihlanganisa nabafethu la sise Vision Records, whereby kule event we mix abantu asebephumelele nabantu abasahlanganisa.
Sure.
At the same time we involve amabhizinisi ahlukahlukene to actually use lesi sikhathi to communicate and sell whatever it is abasuke beyidayisa ngaleso sikhathi. It's something esi-enjoyayo from the get-go when we started doing it because vele siphila ngayo on a daily basis.
Sure.
Into engayisho nje ukuthi kubantu abazohlangana nayo i-tag noma i-logo ebhala ukuthi isipholo ithanda ukuba orange,
Sure.
mbijana, ibe no-white kancane, ibe goldish. Yashubisa. But it's something ongaba interested muyibuka ubona this is something big because it is big, but it is created from a rooted place. So you might think it's something esinkulu kakhulu, but we're just starting out. So we need more people from artists ahlukahlukene, amabhizinisi, to actually come and work with us because we open with that.
Sure.
We don't have any problem with that. If we do the structure and we understand that vision this now this polo,
Sure.
you can come through with your own version and then we might pop, clean it up there and there, put it inside there and then we're able to work.
What can you expect on this year's edition? But what can you expect with 6th annual of eSport?
Hey, nathi siyasaba manje yazo nje just kwathina sathukile because yabo sekuye 6.
Yeah.
We actually still deciding kahle hle ukuthi what are we actually going to be providing.
Sure.
Because we need to move according to what we started.
Yeah.
It's not something that's going to convert out of the blue just because we want to fit in somewhere. It's something as a creator, it's an energy that we're selling to
Sure.
people at the same time. It's something that once by Bamba, they're going to understand what we're actually doing.
Beautiful people. I see Val, any last words from your side? PK, from your side, PK, as well as you, Spacey.
What I can say is that if you're an artist, a business, just go to those lines. Feel free to sing the same Vision Records. We are able to offer different types of services and vibes according to what you're looking for. Do holler at me. If you turn the music on, you can holler at me. It's PK Mwabe everywhere. Your TikTok, your Facebook, your Instagram. You're going to find me, the person doing good things for the people. You know how it is. It's the beast.
Spacey, thank you, beast.
Thank you.
On your side, you just maybe 30 seconds, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
Sure. Ngakumina nje ngicela ukuthi abantu bangifollowe lapha ku Facebook as uSpacey, then uTikTok @im_Spacey, Twitter same thing @im_Spacey, Instagram still the same.
Thank you, my brother. Tell music kwakho sithola kuwo kama platforms, right?
Unonke ama-platform.
Thank you. All right. What can you expect umuntu ongakawuzi music kwakhe angalindelani?
Angalindeli kumnandi nje. Sondele nje uzozumna.
Thank you. Asivale ngeSpacey. It's only come for tuning. I'm the coolest guy in the city. I'm with you away Sushaya isikhatsami. Angazi ukuthi sophinde ihlangane nini ngenxa ukuthi inhlelo ziyashintsha. But qhubeka ulandela umsakazo weNtokozo FM. I'm on Facebook @Intokozo FM. In fact, I'm on Facebook @Simphiwe Fortune Summit. Otherwise, ukalandela ipage lomsakazo @Intokozo FM. Sekhona iTipo sizohlala nawe between 6 and 7 nginikeza iMega Sport Hour. Enjoy.
We wanna live. They call it the guap, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the side. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. as I'm looking back. Yeah, we can survive. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. Yeah, give us the money. We wanna live. They call it the bob, they call it the cheese, they call it the mullah, they call it the zag. I want it all.